Nobody expected one of the biggest names in consumer electronics to enter the e-bike conversion kit market. But that is exactly what ASUS has done. While LIVALL's PikaBoost 2 has already established itself as one of the most advanced friction drive systems available, ASUS believes it can compete with its new Oxiis E250G1. Can ASUS challenge the category leader, or does LIVALL still hold the crown? Let's find out. At first glance, these two systems look evenly matched. Both deliver a 250 watts rated motor with up to 500 watts peak output and can reach speeds of up to 32 kilometers per hour where regulations allow. ASUS introduces its ABT Intelligent Terrain, Sensing and Dynamic Anti-Slip technology, while LIVALL uses its AAR 2.0 Adaptive Assistance System that constantly adjusts power based on riding conditions. Since both produce identical power figures, the deciding factor is riding intelligence. Based on the broader adaptive assistance system, the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 takes a narrow win in performance. This category creates the first clear separation between the two competitors. The ASUS Oxiis uses a 158.4 watt-hour battery and delivers up to 50 kilometers of claimed range. LIVALL matches that with its standard 158 watt-hour version, but also offers a larger 220 watt-hour battery option, capable of extending range to as much as 70 to 90 kilometers under favorable conditions. Having the flexibility to choose between battery sizes makes a significant difference for longer rides. The winner here is clearly the LIVALL PikaBoost 2. For riders who regularly remove their conversion kit or carry their bike upstairs, weight matters. The ASUS Oxiis weighs approximately 3.7 to 3.8 kilograms with its battery installed. In comparison, the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 weighs just 3 kilograms. That nearly 800-gram advantage may not sound huge, but it becomes noticeable in everyday use. A lighter system is easier to transport, install, and store. This round comfortably goes to the LIVALL PikaBoost 2. ASUS focuses on delivering a clean and straightforward experience with intelligent terrain sensing, anti-slip technology, automatic brake light functionality, and USB-C fast charging. LIVALL goes much further by adding cruise mode, workout mode, regenerative charging, SOS emergency alerts, gyroscope-based safety monitoring, a wireless brake remote, and power bank functionality. Simply put, there is more technology packed into the LIVALL system. Both products are designed for quick installation without permanent modifications, making them attractive for riders who own multiple bicycles. ASUS supports wheel sizes from 16-inch folding bikes all the way to 29-inch mountain bikes, giving it excellent versatility. LIVALL focuses more on tire width compatibility and supports tires from 25mm to 65mm wide. While both are highly adaptable, ASUS covers a broader range of wheel formats, including many folding bikes. This is the first category where the ASUS Oxiis E250G1 takes the win. Both kits are designed for daily use, but they take different approaches to durability. The ASUS Oxiis E250G1 features a robust housing and intelligent traction system designed to maintain consistent contact with the tire under varying conditions. LIVALL focuses on long-term friction drive durability, claiming a roller lifespan of 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers and incorporating automatic roller calibration through its app. Since LIVALL provides more concrete durability-focused engineering and wear management features, the PikaBoost 2 takes a slight win here. Thank you for tuning in. After comparing every major category, the results are clear. The ASUS Oxiis E250G1 impresses with its compatibility and clean design, but the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 wins due to its lighter weight, larger battery options, longer range, and richer features. For most riders, the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 is the top choice. Would you choose the feature-packed LIVALL or the simplicity of the ASUS? Let us know in the comments below.